Do you worry about your dog digging up the yard or staining the grass? You're not alone in this dilemma. Although dogs love playing outside, maintaining a pristine lawn can be a struggle for pet owners. The answer lies in artificial grass, providing a lush, low-maintenance alternative for your backyard. Imagine your pets enjoying a comfortable, safe, and inviting green space without the worry of damage. One of the main benefits of artificial turf is its realistic texture, mimicking natural grass beautifully. This synthetic surface delights pets, allowing them to freely play, roll, and jump without worry. Unlike natural grass, fake turf doesn't require harmful pesticides, keeping your pets safe from toxic substances. Say goodbye to the digging habit, as artificial grass provides a durable, undisturbed surface for dogs. No weather can destroy the turf. It withstands snowstorms and bad weather without losing its charm. With easy cleanup and no stains, artificial grass enhances your backyard, making it perfect for playtime. Dogs enjoy playing outside. They take pleasure in playing on the grass, digging, etc. The main problem with preserving a lush green yard is dealing with litter, stains, and other damage caused by pets. However, having a secure, comfortable space for them to run around and play is vital, and fake grass green turf provides the ideal solution. The time has come for you to make a change. You can replace your expensive lawn with fake grass for dogs to obtain a low-maintenance and comfortable experience. Here are some benefits of green turf for your pet dogs. The fact that artificial grass is comfortable for your pets is one of the main advantages of utilizing it. It mimics natural grass and feels perfectly in terms of appearance, texture, and looks. The only drawback is that it could get hotter in the sun than natural grass. Your pet will enjoy playing on synthetic turf. They will have no problem rolling over, running, jumping, or playing. Pets won't encounter any difficulties carrying out all of their regular tasks. Conversely, you will feel secure knowing they won't damage your grass blades. Dogs can become poisoned by pesticides by ingesting or inhaling them. They can frequently be intoxicated by harmful chemicals used in homes and gardens. Despite your best efforts, you cannot guarantee that your pets will not consume toxic substances. Faux grass won't require pesticides, weed killers, or fertilizers to maintain a healthy-looking green lawn, so you'll be assured that your garden space and pet are protected. Does your canine often dig up the garden? It might be annoying, but breaking this practice can seem nearly impossible. Fortunately, installing high-quality fake grass for dogs can be a quick and easy solution to ensure that your pet can't do this anymore. Your lawn will be left as a lovely, spotless area of your home. Prolonged blizzards or bad snowstorms can rip your lawn and destroy the greens. Additionally, it can be so severely damaged that you ultimately need to replace it. When turf is installed, this never happens. Weather can cover it in snow or slush for a while. But as soon as the storm passes, everything returns to normal and your pet plays or rests again on it. You will enjoy the fact that green turf does not stain or discolor when pets use it. Since such items are porous, you can readily remove feces and urine and thoroughly clean the area with soapy water. Your pet can play games like throwing a ball, fetching a stick, or running around the turf. You don't need to waste your entire home renovation budget on a patch of grass. There are several more beneficial ways to invest your valuable time and money. The most incredible option for your lawn maintenance is faux grass. The turf looks aesthetically pleasing and is easy to maintain and clean. You won't ever regret the decision once you've made it. However, trust reliable sellers and manufacturers. Look for budget-friendly options and note the quality of the product before purchasing. There are many other additional benefits to using fake grass for your dogs. It provides a more comfortable option than hard ground, making it easier on their joints and paws. It is also free from harmful chemicals, ensuring the safety of your furry friends. The fake grass also helps to stop the digging habit of some dogs, providing a durable and long-lasting solution. Additionally, fake grass doesn't fall off like traditional grass, reducing the mess that dogs can create indoors. Finally, cleaning is much easier with fake grass, as it doesn't require the same maintenance as real grass. Overall, using fake grass is a simple and effective way to improve the quality of life for your dogs, and it's an excellent investment for any pet owner looking to create a safe and comfortable environment for their furry friend.